Welcome to this training video by the Idaho Office of Information Technology Services. This training will demonstrate how to use the ITS support application to help you submit tickets more efficiently directly from your device. This new process is designed to smoothly gather incident information and details directly from the user through an easy-to-submit process, provide targeted customer service, and reduce miscategorized tickets. On your desktop, locate the ITS support icon. It features an image of a laptop with a question mark. Select the icon to open the application. It contains two tabs at the top, which are labeled User and Technician. The User tab opens by default in the center of the screen. Users have three main options: Call Us, Something Broken, Something New. When you select the Something Broken button, it opens a new incident ticket in ServiceNow. Complete the required fields in ServiceNow, which are marked by an asterisk, then hit Submit. The Something New button. This opens the full ServiceNow catalog. At the bottom of the window, users can locate the button labeled Copy PC-Info. It contains details including the device name and service tag. If you have any questions, please contact the ITS Service Desk. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it helpful.